Building a website for your architect business shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform and registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So, usually I'd head to the top and use the search bar, but I can actually see my market right here. So, I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Multi Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my architect business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple seconds with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. No licensing needed at all. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase your work on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. So now I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. Don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any kind. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address. I want to make sure that email address is actually visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site to display it. You can now see it visible on the right hand side of your website. Phone number, let's pop in that. That is click to call, by the way, very convenient for your customers. Now, if you have an address, physical location, you can pop it in over here. If you don't have one, maybe you don't have a physical location, you can leave it off. Great thing about that physical location when your customers actually click on it on the top left hand corner when your website's live will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in your various social media platforms that your business is active on. Choose from Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, they're all over there. Linking your social media profiles is really important for backlinks to your website and so your customers can easily find you on social media, give you a follow, get some engagement going. Let's click on save and move along. Now, if you have a business logo, click on update logo in the next section. Browse from your device to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, we've done a couple videos to check out on our YouTube channel as well. There are free services. I recommend canva.com. There's also another great one called Hatchful, completely free to create a business logo if you don't have a huge budget. Maybe you've just started out your business. Now, once your logo's been uploaded, click on that pencil over it. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames, but otherwise click on save. And here on the right is where you can make that logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If these colors don't quite go with your branding, your marketing, and your message, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to choose from. There is bound to be one to suit your business, and we are adding more color palettes every single week. Now for each section that you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Over here, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for architect. You can also go back to all photo options, and if you have an Instagram account for your business, you can connect it with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos instead of uploading them individually if you'd like to showcase them on your website. Under Update Action is where you can change those links. They can link to various places. Maybe you take online bookings, so you can click on another website, or you want to upload a PDF file, maybe with a brochure of your services and your different rates. Otherwise, an action, click to call, directions, or click to email. Always important to have a call to action on your business. Now you can go through each section, make it a little bit more personalized. In the About Me section over here, you can put a little bit more details of your story, how your business came to be. And in this last section is a lead generation form. You can keep track of those leads that have come in via your Marty dashboard, and you'll also get an email via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain, you have the option to now connect it as well by clicking on Connect Your Domain. Say I already have a domain. If you'd like to purchase a custom domain, make your website look more trustworthy, professional, click on that green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your architect business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.